back to my channel Foodie Kids. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite recipes. But before telling you the but before revealing the name, let me share a backstory to it. That I am a student and I study in Oda school. Whenever I come out of the school, me and my friends gather around a stall and we have a blast there. And that stall actually sells the various types of dash. I will reveal at the end. He sells cheese, noodles, the type of cheese dash, type of noodle dash. Yes, guys. By the type of that food, you might have guessed that it is Frankie. Actually, since it is lockdown, I have not gone to school, and I really miss that taste of the Frankie. So I tried to replicate that recipe a few days back, and it was so amazing.
चल झूठा
So I decided to make a video on that, and let me share this recipe with you all. Without wasting any time, guys, चलो शुरू करते हैं. See guys, I'm very excited to make this recipe, and actually I've told you guys that it's one of my favorites, and I made it a few days ago, but I still crave this recipe abroad. Now let me take you guys to my kitchen. Guys, now let me share the ingredients with you all. So the ingredients you all need is green chutney. It is made up of dhania and pudina, the normal green chutney. Then one capsicum, these are capsicum juliens. Then butter, cheese, one cheese cube or two cheese cube, it's all upon you how much cheese you all want. Then you all need is one onion, slices of it. Then paneer, two boiled potatoes, and actually didn't have Frankie masala, so I needed to prepare it. So the Frankie masala you all need is chaat masala, garam masala, red chili powder, jeera powder, haldi powder, and coriander powder. And for the Frankie, it's obvious you'll need rotis. So I had made it before, and actually I'm making two Frankies. So I've taken two rotis. And also guys, before starting the recipe, let me tell you guys, you'll need is tomato ketchup also. And we are going to add salt into the Frankie masala which we are going to make. Now let me share the recipe with you all. Guys, for the recipe I am pouring some oil. Guys, I have poured some oil. Now let the oil get hot a little bit. So let me wait for at least 1 minute.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Guys, now my oil has got hot, so let me add the capsicum into it. Guys, I had added the capsicum and I had sauteed it for at least 10 to 20 seconds. Now the capsicum have been sauteed well. Now let me add the potatoes. Guys, I've added the potatoes. Now let me mix this. Then I'm going to add the paneer into it. Now guys, let me add the paneer. Guys, now let me mix this a little bit. Then we are going to add the Frankie masala. Guys, now I'm going to add the Frankie masala. I'm adding all of it. Guys, I had added some salt in the Frankie masala. Now I'm going to mix this a little bit for at least 1 to 2 minutes until the masala gets coated in the filling. So now let me mix it. Guys, see, the masala is looking so great. Now the masala has been cooked, so I'm going to add it in a bowl. Guys, now my filling has been ready. Now it's time to roast the roti with some butter for some buttery roti. So first let me add some butter. As I have added some butter now. Now the butter has melted. Now in the tawa with some butter. Guys, now it's time to add the roti into it. Guys, ensure that you all roast the roti from both the sides. Now let me roast it for at least 20 to 25 seconds. Guys, now my first roti has been roasted. Now let me add the second roti into it. Guys, now let me add the roti into it. Guys, it's time to roll the Frankie right now. So let me add the first let me add the ketchup into it. Guys, I think the ketchup is very less, so I'm going to add more into it. Right now let me apply it on the second one also. I applied the ketchup. Now actually I had made patties, or actually I had made patties before. Now I'm not going to add it right now, but we are going to add the onions into it. Right now let me add the onions into the second one. Guys, now I added the onions. Now let me add the patty into it. Guys, I've added the patty. Now let me add the green chutney into it. Guys, actually I love spicy, that's why I'm adding a little more chutney. Now guys, I'm going to add it in the second one also. And I added the chutney. Now since we kids love cheese a lot, so I'm going to make the Frankie cheesy. Well, I've added the cheese in one Frankie. Now I'm going to add the cheese in the other one. Putting the outro, but if you guys enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Foodie Kids. See you in the next video. Bye bye.